Good afternoon. So I'm sending out this video along with the information to register at NNU with the links and so forth, and the syllabus, so that you have the information that you need. And wanted to go through the registration form here with you really quick, answer any questions, hopefully that might come up. So when you get to the link, it's going to say register now. So you click on that, and then it's going to give you a little spiel, and then you click register now again. Okay, and that'll take you to this screen. And remember, it's concurrent credit, but it's the same as dual credit for other schools. It's just that NNU calls it concurrent credit. You'll go ahead and fill out your personal info. The only thing we had happen here is birthplace state. If you weren't born in the US or a territory or Canada, it's not on here. So you'll want to then put your birthplace city and the country up here on the line above and let them figure it out or call you with clarification questions, anything like that. But go ahead and pick the state then that you live in or the closest to where you were born, that sort of thing. Male, female, of course, and then social security number. I always get this question. It is not mandatory. It is optional. However, it does make it easier for them to determine which set of transcripts is yours versus someone else, especially if you have a name that is fairly common. Demographic info, U.S. citizen, Idaho resident, that sort of thing. Have you taken concurrent credit courses at NNU before? Because they want to make sure that they put all your classes on one transcript. Then the school lookup. So this is the easiest way to do this. You'll select this here, go down to Idaho, and then click on school search, right? It usually comes up. Okay. Oh, there we go. So Idaho Technical Career Academy from Meridian 130402. It will auto-populate the next few lines for you that way. Put in your mailing address and your parent and guardian information. And then the course registration. So here's the info that you need to register for the biology course. To take it for the concurrent credit, you need to put in the Intro to Biology and Lab as the course title. Biology 1010, 1010, 11, 1010L. L stands for the lab. Okay. 4 credits, and then of course my name, so they put you in my class instead of someone else's, so I can give you a grade. And then when you get down here, you're going to select fast forward funds unless there is some reason that you can't use them. You should then go register and talk to Mrs. Grenier about getting registered for advanced opportunities if you haven't already registered. And then she will approve funds once your account is set up. And then here, my parents or guardians may have access to my academic record. I would suggest that if you're under 18, that you probably are required to do that. And then if you're 18 or older, then you can decide for yourself. And then you'd click submit. And then once you get the email from NNU saying you were successful, then go ahead and forward that to me so I can indicate on my form that I'm keeping track of everyone, making sure everything gets done for the concurrent credit, that you have finished the NNU registration. All right, guys, hope that helps. We'll talk to you in class.